Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this blue smoky eye tutorial, and it's really cute and I really like the way it came out. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids with some concealer like always. And the concealer that I'm going to be using is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Duh. Buff it out with my brush. This is a Real Techniques blending brush. I don't know the name of it because the name's scratched off, but it's from Real Techniques. And I know I always just forget to say the names of the brushes that I use, and honestly it's because I use mostly BH Cosmetics brushes and they literally never have names. But if I use any Morphe or like other brands, I will definitely tell you guys because I just always forget. I don't know, it just never crosses my mind, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna take this Carity Picante palette and I'm gonna pick up the shade, wait, am I gonna do that? No, I'm not gonna do that. Like, I don't know what I'm talking. I'm gonna take this Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's Place and I'm gonna pick up the black eyeshadow inside of it called the Shawata. And I'm gonna apply that all over my lid as a base. I'm gonna take this Shop Miss AE 129 brush, and it came inside of like a little brush cup with like blending brushes in it. So cute. Okay, now I'm gonna take a more fluffier brush, and this is the E130 brush from Shop Miss as well, and I'm gonna pick up this, drop my phone, cute. I'm gonna take this shade called Koofaroo, and it's just a brown, and I'm gonna blend that into my crease just to blend out the black. I'm gonna take the shade Zama, which is like this orangey shade, and I'm just gonna pick a little bit of that and the brown mix just to make it just a little bit warmer. A little bit warmer. Just blend that in the crease, the upper crease. Okay, I'm gonna take the Saharan 2 palette, cute, and I'm gonna pick up the shade Berber, which is this blue right here. It's like a nice royal blue. Oh, it's so gorgeous, and I'm gonna apply that onto my lid. Bringing it into the crease just a little bit. Just a little bit. Don't be scared to put shimmers in the crease, you guys. I know it used to be like totally illegal to do that, okay? But now we've grown and we've, you know, we've leveled up. Now with a different brush, this is also from Shop Miss. It's the E136 brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit of black and start blending the edges of the shadow so it doesn't look freaking crazy. I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Gamma Ray, and it's like this cute blue. And I'm just gonna put that on my lid. Oh, that literally just went directly into my eye. That's amazing. We really love that. We really love that. I'm gonna take this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and I'm just gonna line my lash line just a little bit, just to smoke the lash line out. Okay, so I popped on some lashes, and these are from H&B Cosmetics in the style Extra, and they are definitely extra. Like, they're so big, and I'm just living for it, honestly, because we love a big lash. Okay, my skin is just like on fuck you mode right now, so I'm sorry, like I'm having a breakout. it's just a lot, okay? It's a lot. So we're just gonna ignore that and pretend like it never happened, okay? So let's just get into the skin now. I'm gonna be mixing 2 different primers today because I want my skin to look a little bit glowy. So I'm gonna use my Black Up Strobing Primer and my Becca Backlight Primer. I'm just gonna mix the 2 on the back of my hand. And then I'm gonna take this Luxie 522 tapered highlighting brush and I'm just gonna mix these 2. And I'm gonna apply this to my skin. It's gonna look crazy. I'm sorry, I know, but it'll be fine. Okay, so I ordered on Shop Miss A and I got these 2 new beauty blenders that they have. I got this microfiber one and I've seen a few different people on YouTube use this type of blending sponge. Obviously not from Shop Miss A, it was from a different brand, but like microfiber, how do we feel about that? I wanted to focus, okay, but like it's literally microfiber. Like what? And then I just have a regular sponge. It's way softer than their other one. They used to have like a really hard one. I actually prefer my beauty blenders to be hard for some reason. I don't know. I like them a little harder, okay? So I'm gonna take, of course, my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Mocha. I actually need another one, so like, NYX, if you're watching this. The amount of product that I just put on. Okay, this sponge is like actually it. Period. Period. I'm gonna set my under eye concealer with my RCMA No Color Powder. Do I look crazy to you guys or what? Take my Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's Place and I'm gonna bronze my skin up because my under eye to me looks a little crazy. So we're gonna fix that a bit, okay? I'm gonna take my Morphe M527 brush. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Blush Trio and I'm gonna take the shades, it's the Blush Trio on Berry Adore, okay? I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and just put a little bit of blush on my cheeks, just a little bit. Okay, back to the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out my lower lash line with this Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil in the shade Perversion. Now I'm gonna take this Magic palette from Juvia's Place and I'm gonna take this shade called Iffy, And I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line with that shade. Take my Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette once again, and I'm gonna pick up the shade, girl, I don't know how to pronounce that word, so I'm just gonna take this nice pretty blue shade, and I'm gonna highlight my inner corners. Okay, it's actually like kind of a minty green shade, but it works. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips because it's time to do my lips. I'm gonna take, of course, my NYX Cosmetics Espresso lip liner. I feel like this video is literally a freaking Urban Decay like sponsor, but like it's really not. I just have hella Urban Decay products. But anyways, I'm gonna take this Urban Decay lip gloss in the shade Fuel. So guys, this is it for today's tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because we are almost at 10K. And you guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram because we're also almost at 10K on Instagram. So yeah, give your girl a follow. Yeah, I'll be leaving all the products that I use in this video in the description box down below for you guys to check out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video and I'll see you guys in the next one.